Hi guys. Today we're going to be playing Monkey Escape. We're supposed to be playing Rivals with my friend, but he's off. Go follow, brother. Go follow him. His name is the Carter4. This is his avatar. His name, Neon_Pixel. He changes his avatar a lot, so you might see him as a different avatar, but just follow him. If he has like around 500, 600 friends. Then if you click the friends list and see me on there, employee means that's me. Yeah, that's going to be him. But first off, let me join in. I play this game a little off the game sometimes, but guys, I will be trying to I did play this game a lot. I think I'm like, what rebirth am I? Guys, I'm gonna check the leaderboard. I'm rebirth 4. I mean, that's decent. It's not the best. Jump. Okay. Oh my. Guys, that was a mistake, okay? Mistakes can always be redone. So, yeah, I can probably beat this. Oh my. Sorry guys, I just ate. I'm kind of have some slippery hands right now. Yeah, I'm going to be running. You know what? Honestly, quit, guys. This may be a short video, but we will get back to it maybe next video. But I will see you guys in the next one, and peace.